Have you ever dreamed of creating a mead that is award-winning and tastes fantastic? Whether you're a complete beginner or a seasoned mead maker looking to refine your craft, my innovative AI-powered tools are here to help you take your mead making to the next level. Hi, my name is John. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced mead maker, I'm excited to share some special mead making tools that can help you create great tasting mead with ease. My Mead Process Designer tool. This AI-powered guide breaks down the complex art of mead making into clear, personalized steps. Get consistent results, troubleshoot issues with ease, and achieve mead making mastery with confidence. My pH adjustment tool. Say goodbye to guesswork. This tool ensures optimal flavor and fermentation by helping you achieve perfect pH control, prevent common problems like stuck fermentations, off flavors, and elevate your mead to new heights. Next, my Yeast Selector tool. Forget the confusion. This tool takes the guesswork out of yeast selection by recommending the ideal options specifically for your unique mead batch. Factor in your honey type, desired characteristics, and fermentation conditions to understand how yeast affects flavor and quality. Those are just the first two tools in this episode. I've got a special bonus for you. Stick around because I have 3 more exciting mead-making tools coming up that you won't want to miss. Now, my 4-stage yeast nutrient addition tool. Schedule nutrient additions with precision. This AI-powered tool ensures enhanced yeast health, smoother fermentations, and improved flavor profiles for your mead. Next, my Mead Acid Adjustment Calculator tool. Fine-tuning your mead's acidity has never been easier. This interactive tool guides you through each step, allowing you to precisely adjust acidity for enhanced taste and stability, from small batches to large-scale productions. And now, as promised, I have a bonus for you. With your purchase of these incredible tools, you'll receive a free copy of my new ebook, The Practical Mead-Maker. This comprehensive guide delves into the secrets of successful mead making, covering topics like yeast health, nutrient additions, honey varieties, troubleshooting tips, and more. Discover a variety of mead styles and find your perfect balance of strength and sweetness. Don't miss this limited time offer. Grab your special AI-powered mead-making tools and unlock the secrets to crafting award-winning mead today. Please like and subscribe for more mead-making tips and tricks. I would really appreciate it.